Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So as you can tell, today I'm doing another haul from Big W. So this is probably the biggest parcel I've ever received from Big W, or if not in my life. So I picked up quite a few bits from there and I'm excited to show you what I purchased. So there is actually a mixture of things for both Tim and I, and yeah, I just thought it would be interesting to show you what we picked up recently from Big W. So the first two things have come like separately packaged again, and I was trying to rack my brains to remember what they were because I did this order, I don't know, it's maybe only a week ago, but I couldn't remember absolutely everything that we had ordered. I'm actually really glad that they've put this item in here. So I actually purchased some new sunglasses. These were $25 and I don't know why they've got this like security tag on them. Hopefully I can just cut this off. But anyway, it's these Mambo sunglasses in this kind of like, it's like tortoise shell like effect. I really liked the round rims and I also really liked the tortoise shell effect. It's got the little kind of metal logo on the side there. The previous sunglasses I had, I think, were from Kmart, and for some reason they've just got like too big, if that's even a thing. Like they just constantly slip down my nose and it's really annoying. So I saw these on there and yeah, I just thought they looked cute. So ignore the security tag, but this is what they look like. I think they look really nice, and yeah, that's the first thing I picked up from Big W. So I did actually remember the second thing that was in the other sealed up parcel, and it is this face wash from Simple. I like that they've kind of sealed it together as well a little bit more. I guess just some extra precaution to stop it from leaking. So this is the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash for smooth and healthy looking skin. It's 100% soap free, suitable for all skin types. It's vegan, and yeah, I just needed some new facial wash and I thought I would give this Simple one a go. I don't think I've ever used any of their face wash products before, but I have a long time ago used their like face makeup remover wipes, and yeah, as far as I can remember, I got on with them just fine. So I thought I would give this face wash a go. Let me know if you've tried this one and if you've tried any of the other products as well. So next thing is probably quite boring, but it is these 100 all-purpose wipes. So I tend to use these for like if I spray some antibac down and then I'll like wipe up with them. Sometimes just for dishwashing, if you've got stuff that isn't too dirty, you don't need to use like a scourer or anything like that, or as well just for the mirrors and like the shower glass. I find that they don't leave any streaks and no like bits of fibers ever come off of these sorts of wipes. So yeah, pick these up. I think these were about $6, but for 100 wipes, as you can see, it's absolutely massive. It's going to last ages. Next up is something that Tim picked up for himself, and it is these very snazzy looking socks. So I believe these were 5 for $12, but one of the ones that he picked was unavailable at the time they were sending out the order, so they just sent him 4 pairs and I think refunded the price of the other pair. I think it still worked out cheaper, even though he didn't get the deal, so no kind of harm lost there. So we've got these ones here with these donuts on, which I think are really fun. These pink ones here with these bananas, they feel so soft. I think they are a cotton blend rather than 100% cotton, but they do feel really nice and soft. These ones here I feel are quite appropriate for Australia. These ones have actually got sharks on, although they look kind of like spacey futuristic sharks, but they look cool nonetheless. And then probably my favorite ones, because they are just even more random, is these teal green socks with these like balloon animals on there. They had a really good range actually of men's socks. The women's socks I was not too thrilled about. I was looking to get some new socks, but there just wasn't any that really were that interesting, and even just their like plain ones I didn't really like the look of. So yeah, Tim got these funky socks for himself. Next up from Big W, picked up Tim some new work shoes. These feel pretty sturdy actually, but also quite nice and lightweight. These were $20 as you can see, and they don't actually have like laces in the front. They've just got this sort of faux leather panel, which I think is slightly elasticated so you can kind of get your foot in, but it's still a nice fit. So yeah, he just needed some new black shoes for work and he liked the look of these, and yeah, I'm sure these will last him a good while. They've got a good sturdy sole on them, and I mean, for $20 you can't really go wrong, can you? And then sticking with the footwear theme, so we are now officially in autumn, although it's going to be 30+ degrees all next week. But I saw these on the Big W website and I had to get them. My last pair were just completely annihilated, destroyed, worn to death. So yeah, I actually picked up some new slippers. So these were $10 and I just think they are so cute. They have got like a really decent sole on them that does feel, again, really nice and sturdy, and I do prefer like the enclosed slipper. They did have a brown pair that didn't have the back, they were just sort of like a slip on, but these I much prefer because I can still like sit in bed and stuff and they're not going to fall off my feet, and yeah, nice sturdy sole as well. But yeah, how cute are they? And for $10 as well, I just think they are absolutely adorable. Next up, I just picked up a pack of my favorite underwear. These are $12 for 5 pairs. I picked them up in a size 18 and they are 100% cotton, so yeah, nice and breathable, lightweight. You can't really go wrong with black knickers, and I like kind of fluorescent band around them as well. So I do already have some of these. They wash well, they're comfortable, they wear well, and whilst I thought I was doing this Big W order, I would just pick up some more. And then the last clothing item I picked up for myself was just this pair of black shorts. These were $12. They're actually men's shorts. I have these shorts already, but where they've just been washed and tumbled so many times, they have got a bit shorter. Like, they haven't shrunk in like the fit or anything, they've just got a bit too short. So I thought I would just pick these up. They're just like this kind of jogger material. They've got really good size pockets, as men's shorts and trousers always do, elasticated waistband, and then just this tie at the front that is actually functional. They're really comfy, they're good for just kind of lounging about, or you just pop on whatever colour t-shirt you fancy and you're good to go. So yeah, picked up those from Big W. And then there was 2 other clothing items that Tim picked out for himself. So the first thing he picked out was this pair of swimming shorts. These were actually reduced to $5, which is an absolute bargain. I think the print is really fun. It's kind of like eye-catching, but it's not like garish. I like the fact that the flowers are just black, and I guess he liked that as well. They've just got this kind of interesting coloured drawstring, actually, elasticated waist, and he picked these up in a size medium. So yeah, does a lot of swimming. Even, as I said, it's now officially autumn, it's still 30+ degrees and you can go swimming pretty much any day that you want. They have got a little pocket at the back, not really sure what you're going to need to store in your pocket whilst you're swimming, but yeah, for $5 he is really pleased with those. And then the final clothing item he picked out was this green Mambo t-shirt. So I think it says $18 on the label, but I believe it was actually reduced to $10. So it's in this kind of like sagey green with the Mambo logo printed on, and then on the back it has just got the same logo as well. So yeah, I think this is a really nice t-shirt. I think it's 100% cotton, it certainly feels like it, and yeah, just a nice kind of all-round t-shirt. Can't really go wrong with a plainish t-shirt, and he liked this one, and even better that it was on special for $10. And then there was just 2 more things that we picked up from Big W, 1 thing each, and this is something that we have needed for the longest time. We picked out a new beach towel each, because the beach towels we have at the moment, they're from Shein, and whilst they looked nice, they just don't dry you. They just, yeah, they're not good quality. So if you're looking to buy beach towels from Shein that you actually want to dry yourself with and you want to be a functioning towel, I would not recommend. So we picked up these, kind of sticking with the Mambo theme, Mambo beach towels. Again, I believe these were reduced to $10 each, which, considering it's a brand, they're massive towels, they're cotton, I think is an absolute steal. Probably because I said we're in autumn now, but it's still beach and pool weather. So I picked out this one, this kind of very funky, like mandala type effect. You can see there the whole print is the same the whole way, and then it's just got Mambo printed along the side. It feels like such good quality, feels like a really nice, like thick towel that actually is going to dry me. And then Tim picked out this one, so it's got Mambo in huge orange letters, but it's got all of these different like Australian animals printed on it. So you've got like a koala, crocodile, kangaroo, got uluru there, I think with a snake, penguin, cockatoo, yeah, all the animals of Australia printed on that. And this again was $10 from Big W. Feels like absolutely excellent quality again. It's cotton. You can see it's huge. It's 90 centimeters by 1.7 meters. So it's gonna, yeah, cover you. You're gonna get a good spot on the beach with this huge beach towel. And kind of like what inspired probably the whole Big W order was that we needed to get some decent beach towels. So that is everything that I picked up from Big W this time. Mostly kind of clothing items, but a couple of other bits and pieces as well. I absolutely love Big W. They've got everything. If you are not in Australia, then I'd liken Big W to kind of like the Wilco's with the home stuff and toys and books and stationery and makeup and health and beauty and all of that, kind of with like Primark to H&M type clothes, but everything is such a good price. And yeah, I've never had any problems with any of the things that I've bought from there. They obviously sell loads of brands as well as their like own brand products as well. So let me know what your favorite bits and pieces were from this Big W haul. If you've been to Big W recently and picked anything up, definitely let me know as well. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.